AI tools are a new and exciting way to approach web application modernization. They promise speed, simplicity, and transformation. But what does AI modernization actually mean when applied to your mission-critical PHP apps and business?
At its core, AI modernization is about using the best AI tools to understand and improve legacy applications faster and without creating new risk, especially when considering large, legacy PHP environments where speed can be a complete game changer.
Effective AI tools can scan massive codebases, surface dependencies, summarize undocumented logic, and propose first-pass refactoring in minutes instead of months.
For teams buried in technical debt, that momentum matters. That being said, speed is only one metric for measuring modernization success, and AI tools do have their limits. AI doesn't know why certain workarounds exist in your application. It doesn't understand production edge cases, and may struggle to incorporate compliance requirements or customer impact. Most of all, it can't fully predict how changes will behave in the real world.
That's why the best AI modernization strategies pair AI acceleration with expert human oversight. AI handles the repetitive mechanical tasks. Meanwhile, experienced engineers guide decisions and reduce risk.
At Perforce Zend, we utilize AI as a partner, not a replacement. For instance, our professional services team utilizes AI tools to accelerate discovery, refactoring, and analysis while modernizing legacy PHP. Our experts then review, validate, and test every change. By combining automated efforts with developer expertise, we can replace risky big bang rewrites with controlled and incremental progress. Every step is supported by proven playbooks, enterprise guidance, and full validation of AI-generated code.
If you're asking how to get started with AI modernization, clarity is key. Define what must not fail. Use AI for speed, not authority, and anchor every decision in real production experience. But what about teams who don't have in-house PHP experience?
If you're wondering where you can find AI modernization consultants who truly understand PHP, you're in the right place. The Zend Professional Services team is here to help. If you're already using AI tools for modernization, we can work with your existing systems, adding context, guardrails, and accountability so modernization moves faster without breaking your application. If you're starting from scratch, that works too. Our team of proven PHP engineers are at your disposal from discovery through implementation and beyond. After all, AI delivers speed. Expertise delivers confidence. Together, they deliver truly amazing results.